Hey there, imagine earning a steady stream of income every month without ever having to write a single word. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, get ready to be amazed because I'm about to introduce you to a groundbreaking strategy that combines the power of Google and artificial intelligence, AI. So here's the deal. You could be pocketing anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s each month, and the best part. You don't need any special skills, prior experience, or upfront investment. Intrigued? Let me break it down for you step by step. First off, we'll head over to Google's Partner Center, specifically focusing on the Google Playbooks section. Despite its name, we won't actually be writing any books ourselves. Instead, we'll be leveraging the cutting-edge capabilities of AI to do the heavy lifting for us. Now here's where things get exciting. Google will take care of distributing these AI-generated books to its massive user base, potentially reaching billions of readers worldwide. But how do we ensure our books get noticed amidst the sea of content out there? That's where Google Trends comes into play. By identifying hot and trending topics, we can instruct the AI to craft books tailored to these subjects. It's like riding the wave of popularity to reach a wider audience and increase our chances of success. Next up, we'll put the AI to work. Using tools like Chat GPT, we can provide simple prompts and generate entire eBooks within minutes. And the beauty of it all? We don't have to lift a finger when it comes to writing content. The AI does it all for us. Once the AI completes the book, we'll export it as a PDF and review it for quality and clarity. Transparency is key, so we'll make sure readers know that the book was generated with the help of AI. Now, on to the exciting part, selling our ebooks. We'll head back to Google's Partner Center where we'll list our books for sale. Google takes a 30% commission, but in return, they'll promote our books to their vast audience. It's a win-win situation. To maximize our earnings potential, we'll upload multiple books covering a range of topics. And by leveraging social media platforms to promote our books, we can boost visibility and attract even more readers. And there you have it, a revolutionary strategy that allows you to earn passive income by selling ebooks on Google, all without lifting a finger. Ready to dive in and start making money? Let's get started. And I think that you will also like these videos. Check them out here.